up, guys? It's Sammy, and Carson is here to show you the room tour of Jewel of the Seas Ocean View 2025. We are in the end of September, so we're the complete couple. Let's go on and get into the room tour.
All right, here we are, room 4542. Atrium's right there, which is kind of nice, so pretty close. Let's go do a room tour. Well, hello, Sammy. So as we walk in the room here, right-hand side on this room is going to be our bathroom area. Left-hand side is going to be a closet. I'm not going to lie, this entryway is a little tight, but let's take a look here. So we're going to open up for the closet. It's kind of dark. Ooh, really dark, but camera kind of lightens it up. So we got 2 life jackets up here. Hopefully we don't need those this trip. And then we're gonna have closet space, lots of hangers, place to hang something over there. Double hanger storage, you can hang stuff on. That's exactly what that is. Some places to store your shoes. If you want to do laundry services, your laundry bags, lots of shoe storage. Oh my goodness. Another place you can stick your luggage over there and more hangers. So that is gonna be the closet on the left-hand side. And then let's enter the bathroom area. Ooh, thank goodness. First thing I see when I walk in the bathroom is not a shower curtain. We've actually got a real glass shower. Best thing ever. I hate the shower curtains. If you watched our Enchantment of the Seas, it is actually a shower curtain. It is disgusting. Little upgrade there. Nice nozzle for your shower right there. Huge mirror. See if there's a storage in here or not. Yep, so let's see, storage right there. Definitely showing the age and wear and tear of the ship, but not bad. I mean, you know, it is an older ship. What are you expecting? Huge mirror all right there. What is that? So I think that must be a foreign outlet right there, kind of.
And a quick pause. I don't know how Carson didn't know this, but this is actually the spot for like an electric shaver.
Odd, actually, but outlet up there. A couple cups there if you need some water or to stick your toothbrushes in there. Cup of soap, water like always, towel. Let's see what we got down here. Definitely some extra storage, place where you can throw your toiletries away. All in all, nice bathroom, 2 towels there, 2 towels there. What's we got? And some hooks if you want to hook your towel on there. I'd hate to say it, I know conserving water is important, but I will be throwing my towels on the ground. Alrighty, so as we come on out, we've got, did they leave these waters here for us?
It's because of our tier status.
Oh, my tier status, I'm Emerald. That's cool. I get 2 waters. That's nice. So we're going to open up into the room here. Beautiful king-size bed. Now, again, if you wanted to do a double occupancy, I bet they could split those beds, I'm sure, and you would have 2 nice decorations on the walls. But let's check out our desk area. So, yeah, all right, let's open this up and see what kind of storage we have. So these are going to open. Storage on that side, I'm not exactly quite sure what that's going to fit. About a hand's depth, but storage on that side, 2 lights, same storage on this side. Again, really not that much room, but needless to say, storage, big mirror, and look behind me. Full-size mirror for you ladies that like to get ready in front of a mirror. Definitely showing a little wear and tear, but not as bad as I would think. Let's see, we got plug there, so 2 American plugs. Let's see what else we got. Desk drawer, you do have a blow dryer. Another drawer. Ooh, that one was squeaking. You got a chair. Chair looks pretty old. Little section in there. Garbage can below. Guessing the same here. Empty drawer. Empty drawer. Empty drawer. Cabinet that doesn't close with a fridge. Man, fridge looks like it's seen some better days. Yeah, but let's see. No, it is hot as a furnace in there. I do not think it's working. But you got a fridge. Not exactly sure what that does. Not sure about that. This should have our safe in it, hopefully. Yep. There's our safe. Honestly, nice full-size safe. I do think you could store an iPad in here. Don't think you could do a computer, but definitely you could put an iPad in there, which is nice. Full-size safe. More shelving, more shelving. We got our bed. You got your lights. Let's see if there's any plugs over here by the bedside. Oh, shoot. Don't see any plugs. Let's see, light. Yeah, like a night light there. Light there. Got a porthole. Look at him, he's putting our luggage on. Hopefully we get that soon. Let's go check this side over here. Actually forgot to turn around. Look, full-size couch.
It's actually way bigger than like Grandeur and Enchantment's couch. It actually gives me a couch vibe. It's still disgusting, and it's still really small compared to new ships. But for an old ship, so it's a better size couch.
There you go. Mirror. Boop. Okay, I don't know where that went. Oh, it turned on that. Let's test it. Oh yeah, okay, so that's that. You got your phone, which is right there. That's kind of nice, actually, that you don't have to get up for your phone. I kind of like that. But still, no plugs. Actually, that has to have a plug to plug in somewhere, right? Oh, plug must be under the bed or something. Huh. Okay, that's that. That right there is the room, honey. Come do a bed test.
Oh, that's pretty bad. I don't think I've ever said it's bad. I've never felt a mattress this hard on Royal Caribbean.
Oh my God.
Come sit on this. I'm not joking.
Oh my God, it's rock hard.
That's what I thought.
Oh my, this thing is a 1.
Okay. And we've never had a bad bed in Royal Caribbean, actually, so that's really
Dude,
weird.
I think they forgot to put the mattress topper on this thing. This thing is like a brick.
Alrighty, so that was the Ocean View room tour on Jewel of the Seas here. I think the ship is sailed in 2004, so we're going on 21 years. I don't know when it was refurbished last. I will put that here. Overall, I mean, it's damaged. It's not as dirty as some of the other old ships we've been on. Definitely better than the older ones, but old ship, so know what you're getting into before you book it. Overall, kind of spacious, kind of nice. Big window. Can't complain, it's nice and cold. Anyway, that's the room tour, so like, subscribe, check out our channel. We have 1,000 tours on there, vlogs, everything you want to see about Jewel of the Seas, and we'll see you in the next one.
Subscribe.